Looking for silky smooth hair? Let's share the reasons why your hair feels like stubborn stiffness and the solutions to give it the silky smoothness we all wish for, including homemade recipes. Stick around to find out which magic hair detangler removes tangles while preventing damage to your precious locks. Let's go! So what are the reasons behind dry and rough hair? Let's get into the do's and don'ts of hair care. First up, be careful of shampoo shenanigans. It turns out shampoo dries hair, and that's because most shampoos have a higher pH level than your hair and scalp. They tend to have an alkaline pH level, kind of like chlorine, yikes, which strips off natural oils from your hair and scalp and leaves both very dry. If your shampoo feels like a harsh disturber, stripping your hair of its natural oils, it's no wonder your strands are staging a rebellion. How do you fix this? Aim for pH-balanced symphony. Your hair is delicate, and the pH balance plays a crucial role. Opt for hair products that are pH balanced, meaning closer to a pH level of 4 to 5 to maintain the natural acidity of your strands. This helps the cuticles lie flat, which results in smoother, softer hair. But what can you do with shampoo that still feels harsh? Here's a couple of tips to balance your hair's pH level while in the shower. Conditioner, an apple cider vinegar rinse, or a tea tree essential oil rinse. We'll talk about all of these next. Curious to understand your scalp's pH level and how to take care of your hair based on that? We've talked in detail about pH balance in hair care in a previous video. Check it out after this one. Next up, don't let your conditioners go MIA. Has your conditioner been feeling neglected or is non-existent? If you're skipping on the conditioner, your hair might be staging a protest against this injustice. How do you fix this? Do use conditioner, even if it's a natural homemade one. Ah, conditioner, the fairy godmother of the hair care kingdom. You see, shampoo has a high pH level and conditioner in general has a lower pH level that is closer to the hair level. And this is to balance the harshness of shampoo. This is why getting a shampoo and conditioner from the same brand is usually best. If you've been neglecting this potion, it's time to give your hair some love. Invest in a quality conditioner and let it work its enchantment. You prefer more natural ways to condition your hair? Well, it's doable. This is where hair rinses and hair oils come in handy. Try an apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of clean water. Pour it into a bowl and dip your hair in and pour the rest over your head and hair. Rinse with cool water and voila! Do this only once per week. Try a tea tree essential oil hair rinse. Fill up a bowl with warm water, add 4 drops of tea tree essential oil, and mix it. Same as before, dip your hair in the bowl and then pour the rest over your head and hair. Rinse with cool water and voila! You can do this after every wash. Your hair will thank you with newfound softness. Enjoying these tips? Well, hit that like button. This helps YouTube know that you're finding this helpful and will help spread the joy to even more people. Thanks for being awesome. Next up, when it comes to hair stiffness, water worries. Hard water could be the sneaky culprit behind your hair's performance. Those mineral deposits are like unwanted party crashers, leaving your hair feeling weighed down and far from fabulous. How do you fix this? Do invest in shower filters. Say goodbye to the struggle by investing in shower filters. These work wonders in eliminating harsh minerals from your water, which will leave your hair soft, silky, and oh so manageable. Just pop one onto your shower head and let it work its magic. With filtered water, you'll be flipping your hair with joy in no time. Next, don't overdo heat tools. When your hair has been on the receiving end of a bit of too much tough love from your styling tools, it will show by being dry, dull, and damaged. If you're using heat on a daily basis, it's no wonder your strands are rebelling. What can you do? Do go for less heat and more hydration. Give your hair a break from the heat now and then. Let your hair air dry or opt for heatless styling methods like heatless curl tools. Your hair will thank you for the vacation from the heat. That's step 1. Step 2. Say hello to hydration. Hydration isn't just for your body. Your hair craves it too. Make friends with a hydrating hair mask or hair oils. Let your hair indulge in a spa day at least once a week, and you'll be rewarded with the kind of softness that deserves a red carpet entrance. We've shared a ton of DIY homemade hair mask recipes in previous videos, so take a look after this one to find the best hair care mask for you. Do use oil elixirs for hydration. Mother Nature has gifted us with treasures of oils that can transform dry hair into gorgeous strands. Coconut oil, argan oil, rosemary oil, take your pick. Our favorite way to hydrate is to put 2 drops of argan oil into the palm of your hand, add clean water and rub hands together to mix the water and oil. Then rub your palms into your hair the same way you would apply conditioner. If you prefer, rosemary oil can be applied onto your scalp as well for a deeper hydration. A massage with these elixirs will leave your hair so soft, it'll feel like a gentle caress with every strand. Next up, don't get into a towel fight. If you're being rough with your hair after your shower, you're causing damage. Aggressively rubbing your hair with a towel can rough up the cuticles and leave your strands in a tangled, uncooperative state. How do you fix this? Do gently use a soft Turkish cotton towel and detangle your hair with TangleGenie. Instead of rubbing your hair aggressively, treat it to gentle patting. 100% Turkish cotton towels are really good at absorbing water and taking care of your delicate strands. If you find your strands caught up in a tangle after you shower, you'll love using TangleGenie. With its unique 360-degree bristle design, there will be no yanks, tugs, or hairs making a run for it while detangling. It's designed for gentle detangling, so say no to heavy damage caused by other detangling methods and give TangleGenie a try. Your hair will thank you with a happy, tangle-free dance. What else? Don't neglect your diet and don't get dehydrated. Your hair is what you eat. If your diet resembles a fast food frenzy rather than a nutrient-packed feast, your hair can suffer the consequences. Same thing with water. Dehydration can lead to dry and dull hair. Feed your body the right nutrients and clean water, and watch it transform into a soft, luscious mane you've always dreamed of. How do you fix this? Do fuel yourself with fruits, vegetables, protein-rich foods, and water. Treat your hair to a diet rich in nutrients. Foods like leafy greens, eggs, pumpkin seeds, avocados, carrots, bell peppers, citrus fruits, and more provide essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, vitamin E, vitamin C, and biotin. These nutrients support hair growth and vitality. Just like your muscles crave protein after a workout, your hair thrives on it too. Incorporate protein-rich foods into your diet, and your hair will reward you with the strength and softness of a superhero's cape. Avoid unhealthy foods like fried foods, sugary snacks, carbonated drinks, and alcohol, which can cause hair loss. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Think of your hair like a plant. It needs water to grow. So go ahead and drink at least 1.5 liters of clean water per day. It'll help strengthen your hair and increase hair growth. Enjoying these tips? Well, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to not miss any hair care tips in the future. Up next, don't neglect hair maintenance. Your hair might be feeling a bit neglected in the maintenance department. Regular trims and a dash of love can work wonders. If your hair feels like the black sheep of your beauty routine, it's time to reintegrate it into the fold. How to fix this? Do enjoy hair trims. Sometimes all your hair needs is a little trim to shed the dead weight. Regular trims not only keep your hairstyle in check, but also prevent split ends and breakage. Say goodbye to the messy bits and hello soft, bouncy hair. Know any other tips to get your hair soft and silky? Well, spill them in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. And head over to this video right here to find out how to maintain your scalp pH for healthy hair. Happy hair care time!